Welcome to the weekly Roundup report. Today we are coming to you from the Kennesaw location. Come on back. Katie, what are you working on this morning?
So here we have a vehicle that was in a collision, and they came from the body shop because their air conditioning wasn't working. Topped off the Freon, and it still was not cutting on, so ended up doing some electrical diag and found out that the refrigerant pressure sensor was failing under load.
So we replaced that.
So yeah, waiting on that to come in, but just as soon as it does, it should all be good.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Thanks for hanging out with us today at the Kennesaw location. Remember, we're in Kennesaw, Woodstock, Dallas, Roswell, and soon to come, Texas.